Imagine your phone blowing up with insane payment notifications. I'm talking 7 figures a week. At first I thought quick money was all schemes and scams, potato potato, until I watched people I actually know pull it off, ethically. That's when it hit me, if they can do it, why not me? In no time, I turned their tricks into my own $10,000 payday. Now the real question is, are you ready to start chasing in? If so, buckle up. Method 1. Real estate wholesale deals. What if you could bank big real estate profits without owning a property, renovating, or dealing with tenants? Sounds like magic? Nope. It's called real estate wholesaling, and it's the secret sauce for people who want big profits without the hassle of owning property. Take Connor Steinbrück, for example. He made $1.3 million in just 7 days. He hunted down distressed apartment complexes in Dallas, got them under contract, and then sold those sweet deals to hungry investors with cash to burn. To make this work, you need to create a network of serious cash investors eager to buy properties near you. These are the people who will pay you wholesale fees. Create a way to identify motivated sellers. These sellers need to sell fast and are open to offers below market value. This might be through direct mail driving for dollars or targeted online advertising. Learn to calculate ARV, that's after repair value. This helps you decide if a property has enough profit margin for you and your buyer. Create a repeatable process for closing deals quickly before your contract expires. This means having paperwork, templates, funding sources, and title companies ready to go. Method 2. E-commerce product launches. Launching a digital product or courses at scale can bring in huge revenue. This is especially true with a good marketing strategy and the right audience. Ryan Daniel Morin helped launch a fishing equipment brand that did $1.4 million in its first week. He used Amazon FBA and an email list of eager anglers. They were ready to buy even before the product launched. The key elements for a successful product launch include building an audience of eager buyers before you have a product. You can do this by creating content, using social media, or partnering with influencers in your niche. Creating genuine excitement through product teasers, limited quantities, and early bird offers. People love being first to try something new. Setting up multiple sales channels at once can boost your launch revenue. You can use Amazon, your own website, and retail partnerships together, using paid advertising to amplify your organic reach. Once you know your conversion rates, you can scale up quickly if the numbers make sense. Many people overlook an important fact about successful e-commerce launches. It's not just about the product, but really it's about timing and momentum. You need a surge of sales quickly to activate algorithms on platforms like Amazon. This then leads to a snowball effect, boosting visibility and sales. Take the example of Dave Munson, who founded Saddleback Leather. His first big product launch week brought in almost $1 million. He spent years building a strong community around his brand story. Then he launched his flagship product line. Method 3. High-ticket service packages. Want to make insane money without a product, inventory, or even a team? Here's the deal. Instead of trading hours for dollars, you package your knowledge into a high-value service, something businesses desperately need, and sell it as a done-for-you solution. Sounds too good to be true? Well, Sam Owens banked $5 million in a week with his Consulting Accelerator program. He didn't just sell advice, he bundled training, tools, and direct access to his brain into a must-have package for business owners. The secret? Stop selling services, start selling transformations. To replicate this approach, identify businesses with expensive problems that your service can solve. The more painful and costly the problem, the more they'll pay for the solution. Package your services into comprehensive solutions rather than hourly rates. This allows you to sell based on value rather than time. Create case studies that demonstrate clear ROI for past clients. Businesses need to see the potential return on their investment. Use webinars and sales calls to teach prospects about the problems you solve. Show them what they're missing and how you can help. The secret to high-ticket service success is specialization. The more specific your target client and solution, the higher you can price your services and the easier they are to sell. Jason Capital focused exclusively on helping finance professionals with their personal branding. This narrow focus allowed him to charge premium rates and generate over $1 million in a week during his biggest launch. Method 4. Software launches. Software as a service business can get you incredible launch revenue because of their high perceived value. Pat Flynn and his team launched SPI Pro, a community platform for entrepreneurs, and generated over $1 million in the first week. They had spent years building trust with their audience before offering the solution. If you want to create a successful software launch, focus on solving a painful, recurring problem for a specific industry or user group. The more essential your solution, the easier the sale. Offer founding members some sort of pricing or lifetime deals during your launch period. This will create urgency and offer reward to early adopters. Build a waiting list of interested users before you launch and give them exclusive early access. This creates momentum from day one. Partner with influencers and affiliates who can promote your software to their audiences for a commission on sales. The magic thing about software launches is that once the product is built, your marginal cost per new user is minimal. This means nearly all launch revenue goes straight to your bottom line minus marketing costs. Mitch Harper, co-founder of BigCommerce, made $1.6 million in a single week when they launched. They own an enterprise e-commerce platform. They focus on businesses doing at least $1 million in annual revenue who need better solutions. Method 5. Crypto and NFT projects. The blockchain space has created various opportunities for quick wealth generation. It is being done through token launches and NFT collections. Gary Vaynerchuk launched his VeeFriends NFT collection. He generated approximately $9 million in the first 24 hours alone. By the end of the week, sales had reached nearly $25 million. To approach this space responsibly, create genuine utility and value with your project rather than focusing on hype. Successful projects solve real problems or provide unique benefits. Build a dedicated community around your project before launch. Engaged community members become your first buyers and strongest advocates. Partner with established names in the space to build credibility and trust. Trust is essential in an industry filled with scams. Plan your tokenomics or collection structure carefully to create both immediate and long-term value for holders. The reality of crypto and NFT launches is that they require technical knowledge and community-building skills. You'll also need to navigate complex regulatory considerations depending on your project structure. Bored Ape Yacht Club, created by Yuga Labs, generated over $20 million in their launch week. They succeeded by creating a strong brand identity, exclusive benefits for holders, and with that, they offered a clear roadmap for future development. Method 6. Large-scale affiliate launches. No product, no problem. Here's how to build wealth anyway. Here's the game. You find an insanely good product, tell your audience about it, and that's that. Cash rolls in every time someone buys. No inventory, no customer service, just pure profit for playing matchmaker. Take John Crestani. He made $1.1 million in 7 days just by promoting a high-ticket course to his email list and followers. As the top affiliate, he pocketed 50% of every sale, meaning the more he hyped it, the more he stacked. To succeed with affiliate marketing at this scale, build a substantial audience that trusts your recommendations. This could be an email list, YouTube channel, or social media following. Focus on promoting products you've personally used and genuinely believe in. Authentic recommendations convert much better than obvious sales pitches. Create unique bonuses that people get only when they purchase through your affiliate link. This incentivizes buying from you rather than directly from the creator. Master the art of pre-selling through content. Content that educates your audience about the problem before presenting the solution. The advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. You simply connect your audience with solutions. They need and earn a commission for each referral. Robbie Blanchard, known as the #1 affiliate in the world, generated over $2 million in a week during a major product launch. He succeeded by combining email marketing, YouTube content, and paid advertising. And this helped him reach the maximum number of potential buyers during the launch window. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I even start? The truth is that 7-figure weeks don't happen by accident. They're the result of strategic planning, audience building, and creating irresistible offers. I'd advise you guys to pick one method that aligns with your strengths and interests. Start building your foundation today, even if the 7-figure week is months or years away. So what's the one thing you're going to focus on after watching this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this information valuable, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.